We'll guide you through how to turn off iPhone location sharing without them knowing. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So at the moment, I'm going and sharing my location with somebody. But what I want to do is go and turn this off without them knowing, as perhaps I'm trying to go and surprise them, or I've got to do something where I don't want them to go and see where I am. We're going to guide you through this step by step. We've got different things you can try doing as well, so you can go and find a method that's going to go and suit what you're trying to do. So we're going to open up the Messages app like so. I'll come into the chat here. You can go and see I started sharing the location with them. If you just go and stop it, they go and get a notification saying that, which isn't ideal. So we can go and do this without them knowing. So let's go and get into this first method. So for the first one, what you can do is you can go to the top right of your iPhone. There you're going to go and find the battery. And what you can do is go and drag down on it like so. Head to the top left of your iPhone. There you're going to go and see airplane mode. So when you go and tap that on, that is going to go and disable all connections to your device. That's going to go and disable Wi-Fi, your mobile network and cellular as well. So therefore, your iPhone's got no way to go and update the servers with your location. So that being on will go and stop your location being shared. So what you can do is do what you need to. And then when you're ready, you can go and turn airplane mode back off. And then your location is going to go and be updated as you go and reconnect to Wi-Fi and the mobile data network. So that's the first way. Another way you can go and do this is in your settings. And just to show you that didn't change it, the next way you can go and open up your settings like so. And in here, we can actually go and change our location services setting. So you need to go and scroll down, go and find the option for privacy and security. So what we can do is come into here, and this is basically our security settings and our privacy settings. We can adjust our location privacy here. What you can do is press location services at the top. Then what you can do is just go and completely go and turn this off, as you can see. So we can go and then confirm our decision. So it's important to note that you then won't be able to go and use the location across your iPhone in apps like Google Maps and things like that, which isn't ideal. But of course, it then does mean you can still go and use your iPhone, because with the first method, you can't then go and use apps on anything that needs the internet already. You've got no access, but it still works and it's a good option. But this option may work better for you. And then what you can do is when you're ready to go and start showing your location again, is you can go and switch this back on, just like so. Take a moment. If I now go and open up my messages, you can go and see there was no message about you stopping sharing your location. So that's a great option and way to go and do it. Now, another option, which is actually my favorite, and I think it can be the most convenient option, is on another device you've got, another iPhone, an iPad, you want to go and open up the Find My app. I'll just open it up on this phone for the example. So open it up. You need to go and press Me in the bottom right. You can swipe up. And now I'm currently sharing the location from this iPhone. As you can see, it says sharing from this iPhone. If you open up the Find My app on another device on the same Apple ID account, that's super key, you'll go and get a pop-up saying share from this device. And what you can do is start sharing a location from another device. So like an old iPhone. And then what you can do is go and leave that phone where you want to. So I can leave that at home, still take this phone here, and then your location will stay at home as you've left the other device there.